Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching. My name is Jonathan. Today is October 7th. Right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Sorry for the mess in the background. I'm actually at my sister's house right now. So today we're gonna just jump into it. We'll be installing the screen protector for Samsung tablet S7 Plus. I actually just got this in the mail yesterday. I actually ordered this probably a month ago and it took about a month to get here. This I actually ordered the same time from Amazon, same time like a month ago. It only took about 1 day shipping from Amazon the next day, and it only cost me about $10. So the one that I have, I don't know, I can't exactly remember the brand, but obviously it's a Glass Screen Pro Premium Template 2-pack apparently. I don't know what's that, maybe from the back. That's the brand right there. So pretty regular standard 9H, high quality, yeah, scratch resistant, high definition, vision. Anyway, let's open it, see what's inside. So I think if my memory serves me correct, I think I got this for about just maybe 11, 12 bucks, under $15. So it wasn't expensive from Amazon, and I got it back in September. So first thing is pretty big. It's a lot bigger than the Tab 7, the box itself. Obviously you can see that. Let's put this aside. Okay, so this video is going to be me installing it. Okay guys, I finally got it open. It was pretty tough to open this part. I think these are made from like a plastic tape, so it's pretty hard. On the back it does say that it's made in China. Pretty fragile on it. So when you try to open it, first thing you see is I guess one of these kit. Oh, thank you. It's a $10 Amazon gift card. Can't believe that. You see that? I actually only bought this for maybe 12, 13 bucks, and they gave me a $10 Amazon gift card. I don't know how that worked, but I'm going to definitely save that. Let's see what else I need to do. Let's take this out. Okay, so there is 2 on here. Let's put that down for now. So as you can see, 2. I wonder if they both the same, or are they one for the back or one for the front? Let's check it out. Okay, so this is probably for the front. As you could see, there's a opening for the camera, a notch right here, so that's for the front. And let me see, what's that one? Is that for the front as well? Okay, so guys, that is also for the front. So they actually gave me 2. That's pretty cool. I don't really need 2, but it came with 2. That's pretty good. Let's put one aside and put the other one aside right now. I assuming this is probably to put your i7. Does it fit? No, I don't know what that is. Does it have instructions? So I'm actually pretty new to this, never installed it before. So what you guys see right now is exactly, most likely you'll be going to do it with that if you be buying it. Or so let's take these out and what you get. So obviously you got the thank you $10 Amazon gift card. That's pretty cool. Share your option by writing 5-star review for this product. Do not attach the picture, title, your email, aka order number, contact data, and message us review. And then okay, so in order to get this $10, you have to write a review on it, and then you get it. So I'll probably keep that and write that review later on. So I'll put that there. Oh, okay, so they have different sticker. You got the dust absorber, you got a guy sticker, you got guy sticker, you got guy sticker. So different type. So I think that's to help you clean the screen and for installation. So let's put that aside. You got another pack of one of these. You got one of these microfiber cleaning cloth thing right here. You got alcohol wipe to wipe down your screen in case if it get dirty. I probably won't be using it because the phone is brand new, so it should be clean. And is that the instruction? Yes, that is the instruction. So it has an instruction page. Let me quickly look at it, the instruction. Okay guys, I quickly glance over the instruction. They do also have a YouTube page where you could also watch how they do it. They suggest to use these sticker thing for guided, how you put it on, but I probably won't be using it. And I probably won't be using the alcohol wipe because the phone is brand new. It should be clean. So let's open it. Let's take it out. So i7 still in the bag. Let me quickly take this out. So take one out, and let me see where's the front with the back. They did mention that make sure your hands are clean. So I think my hands are clean, ready. Let me just quickly see. Oh, okay. So it'll be like this. Okay, so let's check this out. Where's the opening? Okay, on this side. So everything is not pre-planned or anything. I'm just going with the flow, guys. I'll try not to touch the screen. So I'm not touching the screen. It's brand new, it's clean. So I'm not touching the screen. And I'm going to use the layout of the box to install it. So I'm just going to set it down in the box. Oops. I do see some dust on here, so I guess I do need to use the dust absorber. Yep. Because I am seeing the dust right now. So take these, I guess, more like a sticker, and then you try and stick all these dust. It is pretty dusty in this room right here, so I'm just sticking right now, get all the dust out, looking at it from the angle. Especially the edges, you want to get the edges, because oftentimes the edges is the part that way it has the most dust on it. Make sure you guys spend extra time on this. You want to do it tonight because you only get one chance. I really don't want to use that second screen protector, so I want to get this one. Make sure you do it good. Okay, I think we're good to go. Now, let's grab that screen protector. Oh, it's over here. I already took it out. I hope you guys can see it. So I'll be applying this. So it's actually this way. I'm just doing it my own way. I'm not looking at the instruction. Just going to eyeball it, guys. Eyeball. Excuse the kids playing outside. They might be kind of noisy, but kids are always going to be kids. Man, this is tough. The struggle. Maybe I should have used the instruction. Use the guided tape. I guess I just want it to be perfect, that's why I'm keep doing a micro adjustment. Very tiny micro adjustment on these. I think that's it, guys. Wow, that took about what, 3-4 minutes trial. They don't have that squeegee thing, I noticed that. Yeah, I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. What do you guys think? So they don't come with a squeegee. There is a bubble, but I'm sure these are easy to remove. I guess I'm just going to use my hand. They have anything to push it out with. Maybe try using one of these bottles. You know what? It's probably best if I take this out. Then, what do you guys think? It actually, the cutaway is right there. I try to make it as the edge as possible. Overall, there is a few small bubble on the side right here, which is gone. Oh, I guess I just fixed that by pushing it. Well, obviously there's few right here by the edge, which is not a big deal because especially at the edge, you could just kind of like push it or pull it out. So this one's gone. We just got two tiny ones, which I'm working on it right now. It'll be gone soon. But anyway, I don't want to waste you guys' time, but that's how you install it. The way how I did it, it might not be correct, but it works. If anything, I still have another one that they come with, 2 of them, which is really good. And I think it's really good price, under 20 bucks. You got yourselves a glass template screen protector. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have a question, leave a comments below. If you guys don't agree with the way how I done it, leave a comment as well, and then subscribe. Okay, thanks, bye.